Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing and organizing your footage so editing is fast and focused. Open Imovie, create a new project, then import files from your device or external drive. This saves time later. Once done, skim through clips and mark favorites with a flag or star to highlight usable shots. Make sure to remove duplicates or bad takes to avoid clutter. This preparation lets you assemble the timeline quickly and keeps your creative momentum moving forward. You now build the edit. Drag favored clips into the timeline in the order that tells your story. Use trim and split tools to tighten pacing and ripple edits to close gaps without breaking flow. Once the structure is solid, layer B-roll over A-roll to hide cuts and add context. Apply transitions sparingly for smooth cuts and adjust clip speed or stabilize shaky shots to improve watchability. Remember why you make each cut: to improve clarity, rhythm, and viewer engagement. You finish by polishing audio levels, adding music under dialogue, and using color correction to match shots. Subtlety is key. Once satisfied, choose export settings that match your platform. Resolution, frame rate, and codec matter. Export a short test clip first to verify quality. If export fails or video stutters, clear disk space, restart iMovie, and check for app or Mac OS updates. Those steps fix most problems. If issues persist, lower export bitrate or try a different preset to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.